2. The people love it. Doge has an army of loyal fans. If the US government adopted it, you'd have millions of crypto bros overnight screaming "to the moon, patriots," while fireworks explode behind them. 3. Memes run the world now. Let's be real, the internet controls everything. If TikTok can make a forgotten stock like GameStop explode, why can't it make Doge the next global reserve currency? Why this is definitely completely stupid. 1. Volatility equals economic chaos. One day, your paycheck buys a house. The next day, it buys a Happy Meal. Doge swings 30% in a week. Imagine trying to run an economy like that. 2. The Fed would lose its mind. The Federal Reserve exists to control inflation and stabilize the dollar. Doge's monetary policy? Mine infinite coins and let Elon tweet about it. 3. Nobody takes it seriously. You think China's gonna trade oil in Doge? The IMF. Ah yes, we'll accept your Shiba Inu dog coin as collateral for this billion-dollar loan. The bigger question, why would we even want this? Look, the US dollar isn't perfect. Inflation sucks. The national debt is a nightmare. But replacing it with a meme coin controlled by a Twitter hype? That's like fixing a leaky faucet by burning down the house. If we're gonna switch to crypto, fine, but maybe pick one that wasn't literally created as a joke. Final verdict, never gonna happen, but it's fun to imagine. Could Doge replace the dollar? Should it replace the dollar? Absolutely not. Would it be the most entertaining economic collapse in history? 100% guaranteed. So until then, keep stacking your Doge for the memes, pay your taxes in boring old dollars, and pray to the crypto gods that Elon doesn't accidentally tweet us into a hyperinflationary hellscape.